Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome for the first time if you've never seen me before. My name is Maria Teresa. In this channel I speak about designer luxury items, styling, handbags, shoes. Today's video is going to be a designer haul. This is one of my favorite videos to make. The last time I made one of these videos was back in April, so you're in for a treat. Your girl got you. I'm going to be giving you two options, one where you can buy the item and the second where you can get the same item at a more affordable price. So let's jump right in it. The first item is from Dior. I obviously know what's inside, but they package it so beautifully. I just wanted to show you the packaging. I got this in the Dior boutique inside Harrods. Look at this beautiful packaging. These are a pair of sunglasses that are a must in your fall wardrobe, because you're going to see why. They are just going to elevate your look to a whole other stratosphere of swagness. How cool are these glasses? So these are the Dior Stellaire. I hope that I am pronouncing this correctly. And why I love them, they are part of the new fall winter collection for Dior. They are amazing. I love the squared shape of them. I think that is very flattering to the face. These are in a rose gold rim, and it has, the glass is in like a very dark greenish. They are just so beautiful, and they are very, very light. I love that the legs are very skinny. Usually with squared glasses like this, you have like thick legs on the side, and it's beautiful. It's just a completely different style, but this speaks so much to my style. It has that whole 70s, a very chic luxury vibe that I wear so much in my style. These glasses look amazing with your hair down, just a plain white t-shirt, or if you want to wear your hair back in a ponytail because maybe you're having a bad hair day or your hair is dirty, whatever, and you just want to look absolutely fabulous instantly, throw these babies on and you're good to go. So the second item is from Gucci. Again, packaging always amazing and impeccable. As always, beautiful packaging, beautiful detailing with everything. We're going to open this up together, and I wonder if you can guess what's inside. Guess. All right, I'm just gonna show you. Dust bag is in this very silky material with the traditional Gucci grosgrain ribbon, and what's inside is a belt, but not just any belt. I have been on the hunt for this belt for the past 8 months. It's always sold out. It's always impossible to find in my size. This one is in size 30. I was so lucky that I walked into Harrods and I went into the Gucci boutique and I was like, hey, I'm looking for this belt and it needs to be small enough to fit my waist, and they had it. They had one. And I have no patience when I'm shopping, so you know, yes, I can go ahead and order it on the Gucci website and it's gonna take like a couple of days, but I usually leave like everything for last minute, especially when it comes to clothing, just because I'm so busy with work that by the time that I finish working, I look at the time and I'm like, oh my god, I have to do this, I have this event, and then usually I'm just missing something and I need to go get it and fix the problem right then and there. But I'm working on it. I need to start being more organized. So why did I get this belt? I have a couple of Gucci belts, but they're from many years ago, and the buckle is in the shiny gold. It's like shiny brass gold, and I just feel now that my style has shifted a little bit and it's just a little bit too flashy for me. You just have that bright gold, and this is just that brushed gold, and I think that it's just more understated and more elegant. I just got it in the classic black lambskin leather and I love it. Let me show you what it looks like. I recommend everyone to get this belt. It's a belt that makes up so many of my outfits. I like to pick my outfits quickly, and I like my outfits to be quite simple, and I like to add just an accessory or two that really elevate the outfit. This is one of those belts. I wear a lot of jeans with t-shirts. I wear this with all black, you know, now that fall and winter are coming, black high-waisted skinny jeans with a black turtleneck. You throw that belt on with high heels or flats, it looks fabulous. I also wear it over some of my coats. I just cinch it around the waist and it looks absolutely phenomenal. If there is one belt that is missing in your closet, get this belt. It's literally going to solve so many of your outfit problems. Next item is this beautiful Gucci Python Dionysus mini bag. This bag is crafted in a beautiful dark red python leather. It's embellished with this tiger head spur that has Swarovski crystals on it. The craftsmanship is incredible. It has like hand painted edges. Everything is hand stitched. It's beautiful. This is the perfect evening bag. You can wear this bag with just a plain black dress and it's going to look absolutely beautiful. It's so pretty. Now this is where things are gonna start getting really good. So let me tell you something about this bag. This bag retails for $2,790, but you can have this same bag, this actual bag, you can rent it for 199 pounds a week. I know, that is epic, game-changing, amazing. This bag is from a service called FrontRow that's in the UK. I found out about this service before going to Paris Fashion Week. My Paris Fashion Week trip was super last minute. It was literally like a day and a half before. It's like, hey, you need to come to Paris Fashion Week, you need to be here. I had to go there for work and I'm not gonna lie, I was not ready for that. I was missing so many things in my wardrobe and I did not have time to possibly go out and start looking and putting outfits together, nor did I want to spend all that money doing that. So a friend of mine that has actually used this service, it told me, listen, you should really call these people and you should go and take a look at their things because they have the most incredible designer items. I'm talking about dresses, accessories, and you can rent it from them. And I'm like, no way, I have tried this type of service before. Like I was in New York and I was so disappointed. Everything was like dated. Nothing was like at the store anymore. I didn't want to wear something that was like frumpy from like 10 seasons ago. You guys, I went online and I looked at all their things and they ship directly to you. I just didn't have time to wait for the shipment because I needed the items that day. I was flying out to Paris the next day in the morning. So I went in and this lovely girl, I met her, she was the owner. I didn't know that I was gonna go meet the owner and she was so warm and so kind and just made me feel so special. And she's super young and she's such an entrepreneur. She came up with this great idea and I am all for other girls that, you know, are entrepreneurial and that are really working hard in their passion. And you know, I'm gonna support her everything that I can. So I was like, I am going to tell this to all my YouTube viewers. They're going to love this. This is such a game changer. This is amazing. This bag is perfect for all those glittery night soirees that you guys have coming up. All these months are just gonna be like party events. Well, this is your homegirl right here. This is what it looks like inside. It has an inside pocket here where, you know, you can put your credit cards, your IDs, whatever you want to put in there has enough space. And then this is what the inside looks like. It's made out of a beautiful nude color tan. Love the chain. It's in a beautiful silver brush. Wearing it crossbody, it falls perfectly right on the hip shoulder. It looks, you can wear it double or you can put the entire chain inside and just wear it as a clutch. Now there's a huge trend this fall for small boxy bags and this one by far is the coolest one. There's the Fendi one that I like, I'm just not too like crazy about it, and this one which is so cool. This is the Louis Vuitton Bento box. So it was inspired by the Japanese bento boxes, which are like the food boxes that you receive when you order food. It has this super unique padlock opening. You just press here and it opens up. inside it's made out of a black suede, and it looks like this. It has an internal pocket here, and it's quite spacious. This bag is part of the Louis Vuitton 2018 cruise collection, so it's actually in the stores now, if you can find it, because it's very difficult to come across it. It retails for 1,660 pounds. That's $2,350. Or you can get it from FrontRow for 199 pounds for 5 days. So if you have any cool parties coming up or any important events, or you just simply want to have a bag that you want to use, really guys, just go in there and you will find they have everything. They have Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Balmain, Chanel, everything. I was so stunned when I went there and I saw everything they had. I was just like floored. It was so beautiful, and it's just such a nice service. Nothing is beat up, everything is brand new, and most importantly, almost everything they have is at the stores right now. I had so much fun making this video for you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It would make me so happy if you leave me a comment in the comment box below, because if not, it's like I'm just sitting here talking to this camera, and that's no fun at all if I don't have that feedback from you guys. Tell me if you like this kind of videos. Tell me which one was your favorite item. And remember, I'm going to be doing one giveaway every month on this channel. Something that I really like. Is not going to be one of those crappy giveaways that a lot of YouTubers do. Oh, I'm gonna give a giveaway and they give away things that they would never wear themselves. No, this is gonna be of things that I really like. So if you like this kind of videos, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and please turn on your notifications bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you guys next time. Bye.